Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V60 Lite and let me share with you how to reset the settings on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find system management. Then let's tap on reset options, and here we've got the option reset all settings, so let's tap. Your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so function, switches, options, etc., etc., personalized settings and content filled in during setup. So if you're ready to do it, simply tap on reset all settings. Of course, we have to confirm everything with our screen lock, and you have to be aware that you cannot really undo this action. So you have to be sure that you want to do it. So just tap on reset all settings if you're ready, and now simply wait until the operation will be finished. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.